Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hopefully, you are clear about your previous topic, in which we have learned how to create a worksheet for what do you remember? Yes, we have created monthly report for expenses. Now we are moving to the next report of salary report. In this salary report, what data set you will use and how we will calculate the net salaries for any organization A, B, C and Co. For this purpose, dear students, first we will start our salary report with this heading, that is salary report of A, B, C and Co. This is name for which organization, for which type of institute or any type of business we are going to create the salary report. This is must that we have to mention with this heading of salary report. Then for which month we are going to create the report. Then comes your data set. This data set for salary report starts with the name of employees for whom this salary report is created, are the employees of the organization. They are getting paid. So the first name over here, it is Muhammad Babar, Muhammad Shahid and Muhammad Iftikhar. These are our data for the name category of the salary report. Then comes your next data, that is basic pay, which is abbreviated over here also as a BP, basic pay. On this basic pay, we have different allowances also. And these allowances are actually the house rent, conveyance, and medical. The percentage for house rent, it is 20% of the basic pay, means the employees are paid for their house rent according to their basic pay at 20%. Then conveyance is paid at 25% of their basic pay, and medical is paid at 10% of their basic pay. Then we will calculate in next column of L the total allowances, that how much allowances the employees are getting paid. It means we will calculate the sum of I column. Here, for example, we are at I14, then it will be added with L J14 and K14. Means for every employee, the values at J, K and L column will be added to get the overall allowance. Then we will calculate the deduction for gratuity for every employee, which they will get after pension, and it will be 2.5% of their basic pay. And at last we will calculate the net pay. So starting with the dummy data of these three employees, the first employee Muhammad Babar, he is getting the basic pay of 29,000. Then we are going to calculate its house rent. Although we have applied the formula over here, and the formula here you can see in formula bar, it starts with equal sign, then comes the basic pay, which is in which cell reference? It is present in H15. Here H15 is in here in H15 we have the amount of 29,000, which will be multiplied with the 20 divided by 100. So in this way we will get the 20% of basic pay for Muhammad Babar, that is 5,800. Then we are going to calculate his conveyance allowance, for which we are going to start our formula with equal sign. Then comes the basic pay, which is present in which cell? H, and its row number is 15. Then we will multiply with steric operator, and the percentage is 25. As it is percentage, so we will convert it into fraction by dividing 100. So as we have used the brackets, so first, according to Bodmer's rule, first brackets will be solved. 25 will be divided by 100. We will get 0.25, which will be multiplied by H15, that is 29,000, and the result will be 7,250 is the conveyance allowance for Muhammad Babar according to basic pay of 29,000. Then we are calculating its medical allowance, starting with the formula equal sign. Then basic pay, same cell as H15. H is column label, and 15 is row number for the value of basic pay for Muhammad Babar. Then multiply with steric sign, and the percentage is 10 divided by 100. So in this way 2,900 is the medical allowance for Muhammad Babar. Now how much allowances he is getting in total? Formula starts with equal sign, then we are getting the sum. Just type this SU, and here we will get the list of all functions starting with SU. This is sum. Select on it. And complete the function with arguments. And the arguments are 3 allowances that are present in I15. Press shift key to select next consecutive cell, that is J15, and last cell of allowances, that is for medical, and it is K15. So you have seen that our range of cells are selected. For closing bracket and press enter. So it is the total allowance that Muhammad Babar is getting on the basic pay of 29,000. And now we are calculating his gratuity deduction, that depends on also on basic pay. Formula is equal to basic pay, again H15 multiplied by 2.5 divided by 100. This is the total deduction of gratuity. And now what net pay he is getting for the month of June 2020 is equal to, here we will just get the total sum of basic pay, then press the control key to select next column, that is here L15, where we have the total allowances of Muhammad Babar, and then we use the operators for summation over here. That is plus sign, means basic pay is summed up with the total allowances, and we deduct the gratuity amount with negative sign, and the gratuity is present in M15. Now press enter, and here it is the total amount that Muhammad Babar is getting according to his basic pay with three types of allowances and gratuity deduction. So in this way you can apply these formulas with simple autofill feature to get the next two employees allowances and total net pay. Hopefully now this clip will help you, this tutorial will help you to create your own salary reports and submit it your homework assignments. Here the next part of calculations we are performing over here just by autofill feature, and here you can see that how much autofill is helping us for different type of calculations also. I'm done. Hopefully you are also able, now you are also able to do this type of calculations. If you still have any type of problem, you can ask me. I'm here to help you out. Thank you.